I'll show my Unity project first, just to show what's going on real quick. So in the green side are all stingers. Which are, you can see all this data in this Wwise picker area. And here's my player state called Explore. That was pretty cool. Shows the different loops that were going on and how the transitions. When I'd hit a new state, there was a transition, which sounded a little bit like a stinger. It wasn't a stinger, but I made it pronounced. And then it would go into the next state. Um, what else do we have here? So we could go into Wwise, and in Wwise, the way that I laid this out was Battle has two loops going on, playing it infinitely with plenty of custom cues. So whenever I transition from battle to another state, it'll land on one of these cues, which is uh, the start of a new measure. It's nice and convenient. So things happen more musically. Transitions happen more musically. Same here. Explorer is cool. We have random step as shuffle. So every time I go back to explore, start the Explorer player state, it's randomized off the beginning, and then it is played in random order through these three loops, basically allowing so the game isn't so overly repetitive all the time. And then we have Stealth, which does the same thing. There's four separate states. No, sorry, not states. Four different loops. There's 2 transitions here, but there could be as many as needed. And then the 3 stingers are down here. So maybe going through Explore, we could just visually see the random step by doing this. So that time it went from 1 to 3. Just creates variety and is a very, very useful tool when you're playing a game which constantly switches back to the same music. Anything that varies it up a little bit gives the player less of a chance to see and determine exactly what is going on with the music. So that goes for this section, this game. I'll pull up the next one. All right. All right, so for this next project, this is based off of levels. The way that this is laid out is I have an intro level, an explore, a mild danger, extreme danger, and an outro. So these are just levels sort of as if they're building rather necessarily than player states. In Wise, I did put them as player states, but really they're functioning more as levels in my eyes. And then here are the stingers right here. So first, let's listen to the music. All right, so here's intro. So I didn't want to go too long playing all that music because it could just be found on my website, jameskinneymusic.com. But yeah, so let's look in the Wise project real quick. Here are the player states. We got explore and explore, intro, mild danger, outro, extreme danger, whatnot. And then we got our transitions all here. These transitions they allow to go from any state to the other. So intro to explore, intro to mild danger, intro to extreme danger. We got our player states. This is really great for implementing. Makes things easier, makes things a lot more flexible. You could have things loop and with nice reverb tails. And yeah, that's about it.